In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Amazon and Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and go into Settings or Apps, depending on how your dashboard is laid out. This is where you'll begin connecting Wix to Amazon through a supported integration tool. Next, open the App Market inside Wix. In the search bar, look for a multi-channel sales app that supports Amazon integration. You may see options like Said Commerce, Amazon Integration, Lit Commerce, or other supported Amazon connector apps. Choose the app that best fits your store setup, then click Add to Site and complete the installation process. This app acts as the bridge between your Wix store and your Amazon seller account. Once the app is installed, open it from your Wix dashboard. Inside the app, select Connect Amazon. You'll then sign in to your Amazon seller account and authorize the permissions the app requests. These permissions are necessary so the app can access listings, inventory, and orders. After that, choose the Amazon marketplace you want to work with and finish the connection process. With the connection in place, move to the integration dashboard and open Product Sync. Here, you'll choose whether you want to import Amazon products into Wix or export Wix products to Amazon. As part of this setup, map the key product details carefully. This usually includes the product title, description, SKU, price, and inventory. Taking a moment to check these fields helps avoid mismatched listings later. When everything looks right, start the synchronization. After product sync, open the app settings and enable inventory synchronization. Then choose how stock levels should be updated between Amazon and Wix, and save your settings. This is an important part of the setup because it helps prevent overselling across both platforms. Next, go to Order Settings and enable order syncing. You can decide whether Amazon orders should appear directly in Wix, then save your changes. This can make it much easier to manage fulfillment from one place. Now it's time to test the integration. Check that your products appear correctly on Amazon and confirm that inventory quantities match on both platforms. If possible, place a test order and make sure the order information syncs successfully. Finally, continue monitoring the integration over time. Review synchronization logs regularly, resolve any product listing errors, update pricing and inventory as needed, and keep the integration app updated. That ongoing maintenance will help your Amazon and Wix connection run smoothly.